Hope you like that one. Hey, Mark Greene here from Cars Yeah. Today I want to talk to you about a really simple idea that does a real big job. It's the Covercraft sunscreens. I've been using them for a long time in my cars. I like to keep my cars for a long time. This old BMW is 16 years old. My wife drives it most of the time and she's kind of petite, so putting a car cover on when she goes to work is a bit of a chore for her. Asking maybe a little bit too much. But I bought her one of these. It's very, very cool. It's the sunscreen that they've been selling for years at Covercraft, and it's a nice way to keep the interior of the car cool while it's sitting outside in the sun. Even here in the Pacific Northwest, where we do get a little bit of rain once in a while. What I want to show you is something kind of cool though. What makes this so simple is all you got to do is this. Boom, it's done. Yeah, it's so simple and easy. The visor's flipped down to hold it in place. It's got a reflective part on the front here, which is kind of cool because that reflects the sun off the car. You'd be amazed what putting one of these in your car will do for the longevity of your vehicle. It keeps all those UV rays off the dash, off the seats, the inside of the car. It keeps it really well protected. Like I said, this car is 16 years old. It's got 137,434 miles on it. I take good care of it. I take care of the outside of it for my wife, but she does this every day. Really, really nice way to protect your car. I got to go to the factory at Covercraft in Oklahoma and see how these things are made. There's nothing simple about this. It's all these different panels. They're sewn very nicely. This sunscreen I got for my wife when we bought this car. It's been around for a long time and she still uses every day. Another little neat thing about this car, she works at a school. She likes to come out at lunch and read her book and kind of be by herself, a little quiet time. So she has this up in her car. She gets in her car and nobody can even see she's sitting in there. It's her own little private 30-minute break in the middle of the day to keep quiet, and it keeps her cool on sunny days, which is really great. So go to covercraft.com, check out these sunscreens. You're gonna love them. They come in a variety of different styles, custom fit to fit any car, even an old car like this. Different colors even. So check it out at covercraft.com. Tell them Mark Greene from Cars Yeah sent you. We love to take care of our cars, that's for sure.